Imagine waking up and knowing that your ideas can generate income, all thanks to AI. It's not just a dream, it's happening right now. From creating content to automating tasks, AI is transforming how we make money. Let's talk about content creation. With tools like GPT-3, you can write articles, scripts, or even books in a fraction of the time it would take manually. This means you can produce more, sell more, and ultimately earn more. Then there's e-commerce. AI algorithms can analyze consumer behavior, helping you optimize your product listings and target your ads more effectively. This means higher conversion rates and increased sales. Freelancing is another goldmine. Platforms powered by AI can match your skills with clients looking for exactly what you offer. You can find gigs that fit your expertise without endless searching. And don't forget about investing. AI-driven analytics can help you make smarter decisions in the stock market, identifying trends and opportunities that might go unnoticed. Even if you're not tech-savvy, there are user-friendly AI tools that can guide you through the process of starting a side hustle or enhancing your current business. The bottom line? Embracing AI isn't just about keeping up. It's about leveraging technology to create new income streams and work smarter, not harder. The future is here, and it's time to seize the opportunities AI presents. Have you ever thought about how powerful your voice can be? It's not just a tool for communication. It can actually be a source of income. Let's dive into how you can make money with your voice on platforms like YouTube and other social media. First off, voiceovers are a fantastic way to monetize your vocal skills. Companies are always looking for unique voices to narrate commercials, audiobooks, and even animated characters. You don't need a fancy studio. A decent microphone and some basic editing software can get you started. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to showcase your talent and connect with clients. Just remember, the more you practice and refine your skills, the more you can charge for your services. Now, let's talk about YouTube. If you enjoy storytelling or sharing knowledge, consider starting a channel where your voice is the main attraction. You can create content like tutorials, reviews, or even podcasts. The key is to find a niche that resonates with you and your audience. Consistency is crucial, so aim to upload regularly. As your channel grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Engaging with your audience through comments and live streams can also help build a loyal community. Another avenue is creating audiobooks. If you love reading, why not turn that passion into profit? Platforms like Audible allow you to narrate books and earn royalties. You can start with public domain works or collaborate with authors looking for voice talent. This not only pays well, but also helps you hone your narration skills. Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram are also ripe for voice-driven content. Think about creating short, engaging clips where your voice adds personality to the visuals. Whether it's funny skits, motivational quotes, or even voiceovers for trending challenges, these platforms reward creativity and authenticity. Brands are eager to collaborate with influencers, so don't shy away from reaching out for partnerships. Let's not forget about online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating a course where your voice guides learners through the material. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy make it easy to set up and sell your courses. Your voice can be the bridge that connects knowledge to eager students. Finally, consider podcasting. It's an incredible way to share your thoughts and connect with an audience. You can discuss topics you're passionate about, interview guests, or even create a narrative series. With platforms like Anchor, you can publish your podcast for free and start earning through sponsorships and listener donations. In conclusion, your voice is a valuable asset. Whether through voiceovers, YouTube, audiobooks, social media, online courses, or podcasts, there are countless ways to turn your vocal talent into a profitable venture. The key is to find what you love, stay consistent, and engage with your audience. So, start exploring these avenues and let your voice be heard. I want to share my experience with making money on online sites like swagbucks and a few others that have really worked for me. It's fascinating how many opportunities there are out there, and I've learned a lot along the way. First off, let's talk about swagbucks. It's one of the most popular platforms, and for good reason. You can earn points, or SB, by doing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. I remember when I first started, I was skeptical about how much I could actually earn. But I quickly realized that those little tasks add up. I made it a habit to spend just a few minutes each day on the site, and before I knew it, I had enough points for a nice gift card. Now, surveys can be hit or miss. Some are quick and easy, while others can feel like they drag on forever. But here's a tip. Focus on the surveys that offer the most points for your time. It's all about maximizing your efficiency. I also found that qualifying for surveys can be tricky, so don't get discouraged if you don't qualify for everyone. Just keep trying. Another great feature of swagbucks is the cashback option when you shop online. I've saved a decent amount just by clicking through their site before making a purchase. It's like getting paid to shop, which is a win-win in my book. Just make sure to check for any special promotions or bonus offers that can give you extra SB. Now, let's move on to some other platforms. Inbox Dollars is another one I've used. It's similar to swagbucks, but instead of earning points, you earn cash directly. I love that instant gratification of seeing my balance grow. They also offer a variety of tasks, including reading emails and playing games. It's a bit more straightforward, and I appreciate that. Then there's Rakuten, which focuses primarily on cashback for shopping. If you're someone who shops online frequently, this is a must-have. You can earn cashback on purchases from thousands of retailers. I've even gotten checks in the mail just for shopping at places I would have bought from anyway. It's like finding money in your pocket. Don't overlook the power of referral programs, either. Many of these sites offer bonuses for referring friends. I've shared my experiences with friends and family, and it's been a great way to boost my earnings. Plus, it's fun to share tips and strategies with others who are on the same journey. One thing to keep in mind is to stay organized. I created a simple spreadsheet to track my earnings across different platforms. It helps me see what's working and where I should focus my time. It's easy to get overwhelmed with multiple sites, but having a clear plan makes it manageable. Lastly, remember that while these sites can provide some extra cash, they're not going to replace a full-time income. It's more about finding ways to make a little extra on the side. Whether it's for a special purchase, saving for a trip, or just padding your budget, every little bit helps. So, if you're looking to make some extra money online, give these platforms a try. Be patient, stay consistent, and have fun with it. You might be surprised at how much you can earn just by spending a little time each day.
Investing in cryptocurrency can feel like stepping into a wild frontier, but with the right approach, it can also be incredibly rewarding. First off, let's talk about the basics. The most common way to invest in crypto is by buying coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are often seen as the gold and silver of the crypto world. You can purchase them on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, which are user-friendly platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. But it's not just about buying and holding. A lot of investors are diving into decentralized finance, or DeFi. This is where you can lend your crypto and earn interest, or even provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges. Imagine putting your money to work while you sleep. Platforms like Aave and Uniswap are popular choices for this. Just remember, while the potential returns are high, so are the risks. Another exciting avenue is staking. This is where you lock up your coins to support the network, and in return, you earn rewards. It's like earning interest on a savings account, but with potentially much higher returns. Ethereum 2.0 is a great example of a project that allows staking, and it's gaining traction as more people look to earn passive income from their investments. Let's not forget about NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. While they're often associated with digital art, NFTs can represent ownership of anything unique, from music to virtual real estate. Investing in NFTs can be risky, but if you do your homework and find projects with strong communities and utility, it can pay off. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible are where you can explore and buy these digital assets. Now, if you're looking for a more hands-off approach, consider crypto index funds, or ETFs. These funds allow you to invest in a basket of cryptocurrencies, spreading your risk across multiple assets. It's a great way to get exposure without having to pick individual winners. And let's talk about security. With the rise of crypto, so has the importance of safeguarding your investments. Using hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor can protect your assets from hacks. Always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts and be wary of phishing scams. The crypto space is still the Wild West, and you need to be vigilant. Lastly, keep an eye on the regulatory landscape. Governments are starting to take a closer look at cryptocurrencies, and changes in regulations can impact your investments. Staying informed about these developments is crucial. In summary, making money in crypto involves a mix of buying, trading, staking, and exploring new technologies like DeFi and NFTs. It's a dynamic space that requires research, patience, and a willingness to adapt. The potential is there, but so are the challenges. So, dive in, stay informed, and remember to invest wisely.
Imagine waking up each day knowing that your ideas can generate income while you sleep. That's the power of artificial intelligence. Let's dive into how you can harness this technology to make money. First, consider the world of content creation. AI tools can help you write articles, create videos, or even generate music. For instance, platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT can assist in drafting blog posts or social media content in a fraction of the time it would take you manually. This means you can produce more content, attract more traffic, and ultimately monetize your platforms through ads or affiliate marketing. Next, think about e-commerce. AI can analyze consumer behavior and trends, helping you identify what products to sell. Tools like Shopify use AI to optimize your store's performance, suggesting which items to promote based on real-time data. You can also implement chatbots to enhance customer service, answering queries instantly, and improving customer satisfaction, which can lead to increased sales. Freelancing is another avenue. If you have skills in graphic design, writing, or programming, AI can augment your capabilities. For example, design tools powered by AI can help you create stunning visuals quickly, allowing you to take on more clients and projects. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for your expertise, and with AI's assistance, you can deliver high-quality work faster. Let's not forget about investing. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and make predictions about stock movements. By using platforms that leverage AI for trading, you can make informed decisions and potentially increase your returns. However, always remember that investing carries risks, and it's essential to do your research. If you're interested in education, AI can help you create online courses. With platforms like Teachable or Udemy, you can develop courses on topics you're passionate about. AI can assist in structuring your content, making it engaging and informative. Once your course is live, you can earn passive income as students enroll. Another exciting opportunity lies in AI-driven marketing. Businesses are always looking for ways to optimize their marketing strategies. By offering services that utilize AI to analyze data and target audiences more effectively, you can help companies increase their ROI. Tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot can provide insights that you can turn into actionable strategies for your clients. Lastly, consider the potential of AI in the realm of app development. If you have programming skills, creating an app that solves a problem or fulfills a need can be lucrative. AI can enhance user experience by personalizing content or automating tasks within the app. With the right idea and execution, your app could become the next big thing. In conclusion, the opportunities to make money with AI are vast and varied. Whether you're creating content, diving into e-commerce, freelancing, investing, teaching, marketing, or developing apps, there's a place for you in this AI-driven economy. Embrace the technology, stay curious, and let your creativity flow. The future is bright for those willing to adapt and innovate. Making money online is a journey that many embark on, and it's more accessible than ever. Let's dive into some practical ways to turn your skills and passions into profit. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill, be it writing, graphic design, or programming, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for your expertise. The beauty of freelancing is flexibility. You can set your own hours and choose projects that excite you. Just remember, building a solid portfolio is key. Showcase your best work to attract clients, and don't hesitate to ask for reviews once you complete a job. Next, consider affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to monetize a blog or social media presence. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about, then join affiliate programs related to that niche. Create valuable content that genuinely helps your audience and weave in your affiliate links naturally. Authenticity is crucial. People can spot a sales pitch from a mile away. Another avenue is online courses. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, why not share that knowledge? Platforms like Teachable or Udemy allow you to create and sell courses. The initial effort might be significant, developing course materials and recording videos, but once it's up and running, it can provide a steady stream of income. Plus, you're helping others learn something new, which is incredibly rewarding. E-commerce is also a booming field. Whether you want to sell handmade crafts on Etsy or dropship products through Shopify, the options are endless. Research your market and find a niche that isn't oversaturated. Invest time in understanding your target audience and how to reach them. Good product photography and compelling descriptions can make a huge difference in attracting customers. Let's not forget about content creation. If you enjoy making videos, starting a YouTube channel or a podcast can be a lucrative venture. It takes time to build an audience, but once you do, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Focus on creating content that resonates with viewers and don't shy away from sharing your personality. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to loyalty. Lastly, consider investing. While it requires some upfront knowledge and research, investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies can yield significant returns over time. Start small, educate yourself on market trends, and be prepared for ups and downs. Remember, it's a long game, and patience is key. In conclusion, making money online is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what aligns with your skills and interests. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, creating courses, e-commerce, content creation, or investing, the possibilities are vast. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and you'll find your path to financial freedom.